Hello everyone and welcome to our channel TryNoCode. So today in this short video we are gonna learn about how we can copy a text to our clipboard using a plugin called Air Copy to Clipboard. So first of all we'll be installing the plugin in the plugin section. You can see on the top right corner add plugins. Click on this and search for the plugin Air Copy. If you enter this, you can see the first option Air Copy to Clipboard. It is a free plugin by zero code. We'll click on install, and we'll click. The plugin has been installed. If you click on done, you can see the plugin is visible here in the plugin section. We'll go to design. Here we'll take an icon. I'll take an icon. I'll change it appearance, something like this. I'll be taking a text, and this text I'll be entering to try no code. Okay. Now in the same way we have entered the text in the appearance section. If you scroll it down, you can see an ID attribute visible at the end. We have to give it a name. So I'll be entering a copy, ID attribute copy to it. And after that, we'll click on icon. Here in the icon appearance section, you can see I add a workflow. We'll click on it and we'll add an action to it. So the action will be if I enter copy, the third option, copy to clipboard from element. Click on it and you can see a short dialog box has been opened. In the dialog box, it is asking for element ID. The element ID should be same that we have given, uh, should be same with the ID attribute we have given to our text copy. So in the workflow, element ID, I'll be entering copy. Also, this ID attribute should be different if we are using this icon or this action multiple times. Okay, uh, now we will just preview it. You can see the copy icon and the text. If we click on copy icon, and I will show you here, I'll be same. The text has been copied here. Welcome to TryNoCode. So that's all for today. Thank you.